Coronavirus cases in India climbed to over 11.55 lakh as the country registered over 37,000 people testing positive for coronavirus in the last 24 hours beginning yesterday. As per media reports, India registered 37,148 cases and 587 fatalities due to the virus as of today. With the fresh number of coronavirus cases, India's coronavirus caseload has climbed to 11,55,191. Manipur's novel coronavirus case count rose to 1,925 after 14 fresh cases were confirmed in the last 24 hours at the Viral Research and Diagnostic Laboratories (VRDLs) of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences (RIMS) Imphal, Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences (JNIMS) Imphal and District Hospital Thoubal. According to COVID-19 Common Control Room, the new infected patients are from Imphal West, Kamjong and Thoubal districts. Thoubal district has registered 5 new cases of COVID-19. The fresh cases were confirmed at the Thoubal District Hospital where 150 samples were tested. Among the new cases, 1 is from Leishangthem and 4 from Lilong. The 7 sister states in the northeast are likely to experience widespread rains in the next 3 to 4 days, the Indian Meteorological Department said today. According to reports, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam will also see heavy rains during the period, and Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and Uttar Pradesh will continue to experience isolated heavy rains during the next 24 hours. 10 stranded Myanmar nationals studying in Shillong were repatriated to their country via Moreh after proper verification at Integrated Checkpost Moreh today. The Myanmar nationals were handed over to Myanmar authorities at Myanmar Friendship Iron Bridge. Finance Secretary of Lilong Haurebe College Students' Union, Mohammad Saddam Khan, today said that the union will lodge a formal complaint against the college principal to the concerned Law, Vigilance or Anti-Corruption Cell for alleged misappropriation of fund and misconduct. Saddam Khan threatened that the admission process for 2020 to 2021 and other related college activities will be banned until the concerned authorities take action against the principal. The Volume 1 and 2 of a book entitled Media in Manipur were released today at the Harakchand Agarwal Memorial Rotary Auditorium located at Manipuri, Imphal. Intellectual Forum of Northeast, All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU and Editors Guild Manipur jointly hosted the book release function. As the second wave of flood hit Assam, the Brahmaputra River was flowing above the danger level in Dibrugarh yesterday. According to a media report, the river was flowing at 105.79 meters against the danger mark of 105.70 meter in Dibrugarh, while the forecast was a rising trend in the next 24 hours. Many areas of Dibrugarh were affected in the second wave of flood, which brought miseries for the poor people. At least 13 people, including 11 Border Security Force BSF Jawans, have tested positive for novel coronavirus in Mizoram in the last 24 hours, taking the state's tally to 297, government sources said. According to media reports, a statement issued by the State Information and Public Relations Department said the newly infected patients, all males, were confirmed at Zoram Medical College CMC out of the 133 samples tested last night. With no end in sight for the Ashok Gehlot vs Sachin Pilot slugfest in Rajasthan, the Chief Minister's camp will hold a legislative party meeting at Hotel Fairmont in Jaipur, where they have been staying. This comes as the Rajasthan High Court resumes hearing in the petition filed by now-sacked Deputy Chief Minister Pilot, who is leading a group of 18 dissident MLAs. The next phase of the clinical trials of the experimental vaccine being developed by Oxford University and AstraZeneca against the coronavirus disease will see if the immune response seen in the early stages protects against COVID-19. As per trial results published in the Lancet Medical Journal, the vaccine called AZD1222 was developed by Oxford University's Jenner Institute and licensed to the multinational pharmaceutical company AstraZeneca. The sharp rise in coronavirus cases in the country is clear proof that the virus has spread to most parts, but data from private labs show the virus may not be as lethal as was feared earlier. According to media reports, many people have recovered from the virus in India without showing any signs of major symptoms. Antibody tests conducted by private labs in the country show that nearly 20 to 30% of people that were tested had antibodies against the novel coronavirus. The centre has written to all states and union territories warning against the use of N95 masks with valved respirators by people, saying these do not prevent the virus from spreading out and are detrimental to the measures adopted for its containment.